Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Frank Chanda. I create content to help you make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, and passive income strategies. I also review platforms that claim to help you make money online to ensure you make informed decisions before joining. Today's videos is all about how to make money online fast using proven strategies. I'm about to share with you some of the best methods of making money online. But the key to success is not just knowing those strategies, it's about applying them effectively. So stick with me through this video until the end because I'm going to break down those strategies step by step. Plus, I'll be sharing one success story that will inspire you along with actionable tips you can start using today to make money online. Before we dive in, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me bring you more content like this. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about why making money online is so appealing. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, allowing anyone with the internet connection to generate income from home. Whether you are looking for a side hustle, a full-time business, or just want to make some extra cash, the online space is filled with opportunities. However, making money online is not always as simple as clicking a button. Many people try, fail, and get frustrated. Some get misled by a get-rich-quick scheme, while others struggle with overwhelmed by too much information. I have been there too, and that is exactly why I'm going to show you what works and what doesn't. So why do so many people fail at making money online? For starters, there is overwhelming amount of advice out there. You have probably heard countless experts telling you to start a blog, try affiliate marketing, or even get into dropshipping. It is tough to know where to focus your efforts. And let's not forget about all the misconceptions. Some believe you need deep technical knowledge or a big investment to get started. Others think it is a get-rich-quick process that requires little to no effort. But in reality, success online takes time, effort, and the willingness to learn. So what are the real strategies that work? Affiliate marketing is the hands down one of the most effective ways to earn money online, and it's also one of my personal favorites. Here is the deal. You promote products from other companies, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you get a commission. What is great about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create your own product, deal with customer service, or manage inventory. You simply focus on promoting products or services that align with your audience interests. But the key to success here is knowing your audience and provide value. Successful affiliates often focus on building trust by offering honest reviews, educational content, and genuine recommendations. Therefore, if you want to try affiliate marketing business, here is my recommendation. We can sign up with Affiliates for free to check out the water and decide if this business model is good for you. Affiliate offer 1,500 AI web credit, one practical website, one limited business app, Justice Starter keyword research tool, limited help and support, core niche training. You can sign up for free, no credit card required. Try it out today, there's nothing to lose, and you'll find the link in the description that will give you more bonuses to succeed in your journey. Freelancing is another fantastic way to make money online, especially if we have the skills or the talent like writing, web development, graphic design, or consulting. Freelancing allows you to set your own rate, work from anywhere, and choose the project you want to take on. There is no limit to the amount you can earn as a freelancer. Many freelancers have turned their side hustle into a full-time businesses. Let me give you a tour to Fiverr where you can sign up as a freelancer. As you can see, there are many categories where you can sign up depending on your skills. Freelancers are offering different services on this platform and you can see how much they charge here. You'll make decent money as a freelancer and there are many platforms where you can sign up as a freelance to increase your earnings. Now let's talk about one of the simplest ways to start making money online. Online surveys and reward platforms. While those might not make you a millionaire, they are an excellent way to earn extra cash or gift cards. And the best part, you can do them in your spare time and they don't require any special skills or experience. So how do online surveys work? Companies use surveys to gather feedback from consumers about their products and services. In exchange of your time and your input, you earn points or cash. It is that simple. But which survey platform should you sign up for? Let me give you some solid recommendations. Survey Time, one of the most reliable survey platforms out there. Survey Time rewards you with $1 for every survey you complete. The platform is straightforward, no point or complicated systems. You can also get paid via PayPal or gift card. Ysense is another reputable platform that offers surveys, tasks, and even pay offers. You can earn money from completing surveys, watching videos, and other easy tasks. Plus, the payout options are flexible, allow you to get paid to PayPal, gift cards, or even directly into your bank. Tambax is a fun platform where you can complete survey, watching video, and even take part in the social media tasks to earn money. It is one of the few sites that allowed you to get paid to use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It is important to note that while surveys are a great way to earn money in your free time, they should not be the only income source you rely on. They are best as a side hustle that can supplement your other efforts like affiliate marketing and freelancing. Next up, let's dive into selling products online. This is one of the most versatile and scalable ways to make money on the internet. Whether you are selling physical products, digital goods, or even services, there is a huge potential to create a successful online store. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, eBay offer a huge marketplace where you can reach millions of potential buyers. If you are selling physical products, you can take advantage of dropshipping, where you can sell items without having to manage inventory. You simply partner with a supplier who ship the products directly to your customers. On the other hand, digital products like ebooks, printable, and online templates are becoming more popular. Why? Because they have a higher profit margins and require no physical inventory. Once you have created your product, you can sell it over and over again, earning passive income. But if you are serious about selling products online, you need to focus on a few key things. Don't just sell anything. Focus on a specific niche that interests you and has a demand. Your product description, photos, and reviews can make or can break your sales. Whether it's through social media, SEO, or paid ads, marketing is crucial to drive traffic to your store. Creating and selling online courses is one of the best ways to leverage your expertise and build a passive income stream. With platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific, you can create courses on practical any topic you are passionate about or skilled in. Think about it. People are always looking to learn new skills. And if you can package your knowledge into a structured course, you can provide value while earning money. It is a win-win. The beauty of online courses is that once you have created the content, it can continue to generate income long after you have finished recording. This is the perfect example of passive income, and it pays off for years to come. Here is how to succeed with online courses. Topics like business, marketing, health, and personal development are always popular. A well-structured course with clear instruction, engaging video, and useful resources will attract more students. Use email marketing, social media, and partnership to promote your course and drive sales. Let me share a success story that proves those strategies work. Matt is an affiliate marketer and an online entrepreneur who built a solid business by promoting some survey website in the making money niche and selling online courses. He started with a blog and now he has a YouTube channel with more than and 400k subscribers where he shares valuable content. He has implemented some of the strategy I share here. He is an affiliate marketer, he earns money from survey website, and he also has an online course. He is earning consistent commission and achieve financial freedom. He started just like you and he learned everything from web affiliate. So in conclusion, making money online quickly is not possible. It takes effort, time, and the right strategies. Affiliate marketing, freelancing, selling products, and creating online courses are all viable ways to earn money. The key is to take action, stay consistent, and keep learning. I hope this video inspired you and give you the tools to start earning money online. Don't forget to check out my other videos on those topics and for even more tips and strategies. And if you have not already hit the like button, share this video with someone who could use it. Leave me a comment below with your thoughts and questions. I would love to hear your story. What strategy are you planning to try? If you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out an update. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.